Good day, everyone. Learn how to reset your keyboard in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So if your keyboard is not typing correctly, it's typing wrong letters, and for whatever reason, if you want to reset your keyboard, this tutorial is for you. It's a very easy process and a step-by-step guide. So do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. Once you do that, we need to go to this time and language. So we will click on that. And then we need to go to the second option called language and region. Once you do that, you will find preferred language. And if you see only one language which you use, we need to add one more language and make it preferred. So make sure you, whatever the language you select, you know that. So I would recommend if you're using English, then use some different language like English Ireland or New Zealand. I'll select it and click on next, and I'll click on install. Now this will take some time to install it, and we will wait for a while. And it is installed pretty fast. Now, once you see the basic typing and handwriting, you see the three dots. You need to click on that and click on move up. So in this manner, we are actually resetting our main keyboard language. Okay. Now we need to restart the computer and then come back here. Once you're done with the restart, come back here, and whatever your preferred language is, just click on that and click on move up. So in this manner, you are resetting all the pack and basic typing and handwriting. So you're resetting your keyboard. Now the restart is must. When you add a second language and make it preferred, then restart it first. Okay. Since I do not want, so once it is working fine, you can simply remove whatever the language you added, just for the sake of resetting it. So do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. If yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.